In a previous video, I showed you how to make Claude show its reasoning. Today, we're going to take that one level deeper, making Claude critique its own thinking and spot potential problems. This is where AI starts to feel like a built-in peer reviewer. Previously, we added this to the end of our prompts. Show your step-by-step reasoning before giving your final answer. This gave us transparency into how Claude was thinking. But what if that reason has blind spots? Now we're going to make Claude evaluate itself. Let's add this to any prompt. Show your reasoning, then identify any potential weaknesses, biases, or alternative approaches you didn't choose. This makes Claude question its own logic, spot potential biases, reveal what it didn't do, and suggest alternatives. Let's try it. We're going to start with a basic prompt and ask it to give us its reasoning. Create a discussion prompt for teaching The Great Gatsby to college freshmen. Show your step-by-step reasoning before giving your answer. So as we've seen before, it goes through its reasoning steps before giving us a final discussion prompt. Now we're going to add self-critique instructions. Create a discussion prompt for teaching The Great Gatsby. Show your reasoning, then identify any potential weaknesses, biases, or alternative approaches you didn't choose. Here's what Claude came back with. Notice it points out things like Western-centric framing, and a complexity barrier. And it also shows you other alternative approaches that it didn't consider, such as a character-focused approach or a symbol-based approach. And then finally, it does a bias check. This is incredibly valuable. Claude surfaces limitations I wouldn't have even caught. You can use this for finding biases in exam questions, analyzing frameworks in research, or checking your own assumptions. Now let's take this one step further and create a self-improving loop for Claude. Step 1 is to ask Claude for its reasoning. Step 2 is to ask it to critique itself. And step 3 is to say, based on your critique, revise your original answer. Claude improves its own work right in front of you. Would you like all these prompts in one place? Check the description to download a handout today. This is part 2 of our 3-part series. In episode 1, we made Claude show its work. In this episode, we made Claude critique and revise itself. In part 3, we'll make Claude compare multiple thinking approaches. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me. This is just one way BoodleBox helps us build a post-AI classroom. If you're curious to explore, I've included 1 month free in the description below. Remember, start small, build with intention, and together we're shaping the future of education.